Picture this. It's 2025. We live in the world of artificial intelligence, climate crisis, and global movements for justice. Yet, every December 30, we still gather to honor a man who died 29 years ago. The question is, are we honoring progress or are we clinging to the past? Today, I urge that Rizal can and should be made obsolete. Before you react, let's clarify what obsolete means. It doesn't mean erasing Rizal from history. It means moving beyond him as a ultimate symbol of heroism. Renato Constantino once said, "Our task is to make Rizal obsolete." Why? Because Rizal was a hero for his time, a time of colonial oppression and limited freedoms. But our struggle today are different. We face systematic poverty, corruption, climate change, and digital inequality. Can a 19th century framework truly guide a 21st century nation? Constantino urged that Rizal was elevated as a safe hero, someone who fought with words, not revolution. He inspired reform with not radical change. That was perfect for colonial government that feared uprisings. But today, reform is not enough. We need bold, systematic transformation. Look around. Our hero now are activists fighting for indigenous rights, scientists innovating for sustainability, and ordinary citizens demanding accountability. These are the people shaping our future, not someone whose context was Spanish fears and Galileo trade. If we keep Rizal as centerpiece of our nation identity, we risk freezing our imagination. We risk freezing our youth that heroism means writing novels instead of challenging system head on. So, what happens if we make Rizal obsolete? We liberate ourselves from nostalgia. We open new space for heroes who reflected today's reality. Heroes who fight misinformation, climate injustice, and inequality. This isn't disrespect, it's revolution. Rizal himself believed in progress. If he were alive today, he wouldn't want to be worshipped. He'd want us to outgrow him. So, can we make Rizal obsolete? Yes. And when we do, we stop living in the shadow of past and start building the future we deserve. Thank you.